Hello friends, this is Saurabh Gandhi from Pivottrading.net. In this video, we will be discussing about Pivot Trading as a website, what all things it offers and how to use it and how to register on Pivot Trading. What is Pivottrading.net? Pivottrading.net is a website with various tools, scanners and predefined strategies that can assist you in doing your research, practicing and learning on stock market trading. Okay, apart from this, pivottrading.net provides features of placing orders directly to your trading account in single click after confirmation. What does it mean? You can design your strategy, you can select the tool which you want to use, and you can place the orders directly from our website to your favorite trading account. Okay, now website uses exchange approved publisher APIs provided by the broker to be integrated for the web use. Orders are placed only once the user reviews the order and clicks on the confirm. So if you like any particular strategy or tool or any particular analysis, you can click on the place order button. It will show you what all orders are going to get placed, and then once you click on confirm, it will be placed. Now the beauty here is it can allow you to place multiple orders, basket of orders and bulk orders in one single click. Okay, we will see in some time how you can do so. Who can use pivottrading.net? Pivottrading.net website can be used as a research and analysis or learning website by the traders. The access to this website is not public at all, and only limited people can use all the features of the website. So we are not a public website. The data, the tools, the calculators, the scanners, the strategies, everything is available only to a limited set of people. Who can use pivot trading? The below users can access the website. First, you can sign in with the Gmail and access all the free tools that are available on the website. Second is open a trading and demat account with brokers which we are tied up with, like Zerodha, Alliance Blue, Fires, Angel One, Stockscart, Nuama, and you can get free access to the full website. Another way is you can take a paid subscription for 1 week, 1 month or 1 quarter and get full access for that specific time period. How to use pivottrading.net? You can visit the URL as shown here on the screen. You can navigate to the login menu, then sign in with your Gmail ID. Okay. If you have access, you can start using the tools directly by navigating to the tools and strategies menu. If you don't have an access, you can open a trading account and register your trading account with the Gmail ID in Pivot Trading. Apart from this, you can also opt for the paid subscription and sign in with your Gmail ID to access the website, tools, scanners and strategies. Before we proceed to a live demo, I would like to answer a few of the most frequently asked questions. Do you provide tips? No, we do not provide any kind of tips or advisory. Do you provide algo trading software? No, we do not provide any kind of algo trading software to the retail users. Do you manage portfolios? No, we are not into PMS. We do not manage any kind of portfolios. Do you provide training? We provide educational materials and limited training only on our free YouTube channel. We do not have any kind of paid training or phone call or personal training. Do you have profit sharing account handling system? No, we do not. We are not engaged in any such kind of thing, and we do not provide any kind of account handling or profit sharing system. If I take a paid subscription, will you teach me or provide training? Paid subscription is only to access the website, pages and use our features. It is not for any kind of training, teaching or advisory. To know more on and using website and its tools, you can watch our free YouTube channel and the relevant videos. Can I place a bulk order? Yes, if you have gained access to the website, you can place the bulk order. Bulk order is nothing but splitting your big order into basket of orders with freeze limit as each order's kept quantity. Okay, so let's say if you want to place 10,000 quantity of options buying in any particular strike price, you can do so. Internally, this 10,000 will get split up into multiple small orders, and each order will have a maximum quantity size which will be equivalent to the freeze size. Which all brokers are supported on website for direct order placing? As seen on the screen, we are currently supporting Zerodha, Alliance Blue, Fires, Stockscart, Angel One, Nuama, Edelweiss and Upstocks. Upstock is temporarily disabled because they have disabled the API, but hopefully soon we will re-enable the Upstock for the direct order placement also. How to access the website freely? Open your account using our referral code and you can get the free access. Is the website access lifetime? Yes, but if your account is inactive in trading or goes into dormant stage or is closed or is in negative balance because of any kind of um, obligation, then your access to the website will be stopped. How to open account? You can visit our URL and you can check the menu open account and complete the eKYC using the link given on our website. Also, you can check this YouTube videos description. All the links for the account opening are available. So here are my contact details. You can WhatsApp on this number and you can drop an email on the mentioned email ID. Okay, so now let me show you. How you can access the website. So you need to visit our URL. This is our home page. If you open an account, you need to go to this login page and click on the login. Here you can go to refer to the terms and conditions. Select this checkbox, sign in with your Gmail ID and enter your client ID and select the broker where you opened the account and you can register yourself. Once you are registered, you need to sign in with the same Gmail ID again. Let me show you how you can do so. On successful sign up, so see, I have opened multiple accounts and I have linked all these accounts with my Gmail ID. So as you can see, all these accounts are linked to my Gmail ID. Now let's say if I open another account with any of the broker and I want to register that account, you need to first sign in, as I've already signed in. So here your Gmail ID should look, and here you can select which broker you have opened the account, and here I need to mention the client ID. Okay, once I mention the client ID, I will click on register. Since I mentioned a dummy ID, it will throw an error saying that this client ID is not a valid Zerodha ID or specific broker ID which you have opened under Pivottrading. In the tool Zerodha, you can see list of tools. So if you click here, you will see all the list of available tools that are available. Then you can go to open or demat or trading account if you wish to open a new account. And this is sign in Gmail or register your Zerodha ID if you have opened a Zerodha account. So this is the same. This will open up the same link which you can also open using this login menu. Okay. Now if you are not signed in with Gmail, you will not see any kind of tools here. You will only see the list of tools. Now if you want to access the tools and access the website, and if you want to execute the orders to your trading account, you need to sign in with your Gmail ID. So let me show you. So now I have signed in with my Gmail ID and I will go to tools or strategies menu. Let's say I have a account in Zerodha, which is my preferred broker. So here you can Zerodha, you can see all the available list of tools will be visible to you. And let's say if I want to go to index hedging, I can click on index hedging and then I can select which tool I want to use. So let me select one simple predefined strategy called as straddle. I will go to index straddle and strangle, and here I will select index short of straddle. Okay, so now here all these brokers which are supported from our website are shown here. You can also change your broker from this particular page. From Zerodha, if you want to place order into Allies Blue, you can click on Allies Blue, provided you must have access to Allies Blue from our website. So now let's say I want to place orders in straddle in this particular strategy. So I will click on the execute orders button and it will show this kind of stuff. Here it is also necessary again to read the terms and conditions, and you can click on the place order button. Once you click on the place order button, it will ask you for the login credentials. You need to make sure you have enabled your TOTP, and here you can log in with your. So I will mention my TOTP here. So as soon as I mention my TOTP, the orders got populated, and once I click on the place order button, the orders will get executed. Since the market is closed right now while I'm making this video, I get an error in red saying that the markets are closed right now. But if it is a live market, all these orders will get placed into your trading account. So this is how you can place the order. One more important thing you need to know is, while using this order placing facility, you need to disable your pop-up blocker. You can search more on the Google how you can disable pop-up blocker for different browsers, and you can disable the pop-up blocker, and then you can access the website tools and direct order placing facility without any hassle. So this was for Zerodha. Similarly, you can go to any other broker and place the orders. So this is the general flow. Now, if you want to use any other tool or strategy, you can just go to tools and strategies menu, select your broker, select the sub menu, and you can further select the sub menu and go to that particular menu, and then you can watch the tool, watch the strategy. Here I have opened the ORB index option strategy. So here all the index options are available, and here from by clicking on this button I can place the order. The same rule applies to all other brokers which are linked with us. This is how you need to navigate to the tools and design your strategy, select your strategy, and execute the orders. I hope this video is clear on what is pivot trading, what all things we provide, how you can become a registered member of our website, and what all benefits you get by registering or by opening an account with our referral link. Hope to see you soon in my next video. Till then, Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.